Okay, you guys. We have a water leak underneath the Prowler. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's dripping out of there. Got a mobile RV guy here right now. It's actually 2.5 weeks scheduled out. Morning. But yeah, I saw him online. Got a very professional website and very professional sounding. So hopefully he can find the leak and get it fixed. We've had to. I
think I see the line.
There he is. His name's Kevin.
Hello.
Had to. Past 2.5 weeks, we've had to. Anytime we needed the water, we turn it on and then turn it right back off. You know, whether it's a shower or use the restroom or whatever. But so, yeah. We'll see where that leak is.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, so he found the leak, which I'll put a picture right here, but there's a screw from this wall that goes through the subfloor, and they ran a water line right by it from the factory, and it finally wore through. Even just sitting here for 6 months. Sitting here for 6 months. I guess just from walking, finally just wore through. Which if we were traveling, it would probably be would have been a lot faster. But yeah, so he's got to run a whole new water line. Just going to bypass that whole leak and go across the RV. So anyway, okay, so we land it. He's pulling it through over there. I'm going to hang on to this so you don't pull through?
No, it's not going to pull through. I have
okay.
the end right here.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you though.
Yeah. I tell you what, living in these, these things weren't really made for living in full time. So, I'm gonna have things break. You know, this is 10 years old too, 2013. He used this scope to go in here, which you saw the picture, but okay, so the leak is fixed. The leak is fixed. He was able to bypass the line with the leak in it, and so now we have water to the kitchen sink, water to the bathroom sink, water to the shower, but no water to the toilet. So now he's running a line to get fresh water to the toilet. So, looking good though. So yeah, look at this mess. Insulation wet. That's the toilet water line. He's going to connect to the main water line, I guess you call it. What a mess. Okay, that is up above here. If you guys can see, there's a black liner up there, and all this water was up. He just punctured that black liner, and draining that out. Can't believe how much water this thing was holding. But anyway, the leak is fixed. We are going to leave this open for a week or two to dry and drain out, and then he's going to come back and put the bed liner up. So
Okay.
yeah. Okay, you guys, it's done. Kevin got her fixed. So you want to tell them about you?
Yeah, hi, my name's Kevin. I'm a RVTI certified tech. Been doing this for about 13 years. I do pretty much everything RV related except for chassis work. Repairs and maintenance, services, solar upgrades, service the entire Phoenix metro area. So yeah, give me a call if you need any work. If you want to buy a new trailer, want to get it inspected by someone who fixes these things for a living.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Instead of someone you know, who just looks at them, as for say. 602-831-7475 or topnotchrv.com.
So
topnotchrvrepair.com.
You just stay in the valley.
Yes, yeah.
Like if somebody needed you out at courtside or anything?
I can.
Yeah.
But I try to do. I'll try and schedule like 3 jobs that day to go out there to
Oh.
make the trip worth it. Because for me to just go for one job,
Yeah.
it's
Gotcha.
kind of it's more drive time than it is repair time.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
absolutely.
All right, cool. Well,
Guys have a good one.
appreciate you.
Thank you. Yeah.
We'll see you again.
Yeah, absolutely.